Here we go. Next problem. Same thing we're going to do in the previous problem. In the gas law, the list is the most important part. We got to figure out which law to use. So let's go ahead and take a look at this problem. Sample of gas occupies 250 milliliters. 250 milliliters is a volume. So we got volume at 27 degrees C. Temperature is 27 degrees C. Now, these are the gas laws, and unfortunately temperature is not in degrees C. That wasn't the correct ratio, so we need Kelvin. So we have to add 273 to this. So let's add 273 to give us 300 Kelvin before we do anything. And then it says, what will the volume be? Oh, we got a new volume. Occupy at 35, so we got a new temperature. 35 degrees C. Add 273 to that to give us 308 Kelvin. And then it says no change in pressure. So if we look at our paper, Boyle's law is pressure volume, temperature being held constant. Our temperature is changing, which means it could be any of these other laws, but it's talking about volume and temperature. So this is a Charles law. It's a direct relationship, meaning they both go up together and they both go down together. Our temperature is going up, so we should expect our answer to be a little bit larger than 250. Let's go ahead and plug in our numbers. Volume 1, temperature 1 equals volume 2, temperature 2. We want volume 2, so we're just going to take this guy and move him up here to give us volume 2 is equal to volume 1, temperature 2, all over temperature 1. And the main mistake people make on this is they forget to convert it to Kelvin, so make sure you do that. So we have our temperature 1, 250 mLs, and we're going to multiply that by temperature 2, which is 308 Kelvin. Again, don't be lazy. Write out all your units so you can see which ones units are canceling or whatnot. And then we have 300 Kelvin down here. So again, this is a Charles law problem. They both go up, they both go down. It went up by a tiny amount. So when we plug into our calculator and we get a very similar number to 250, we should not be surprised. So take a look at our work. 250 times 308 and then divided by 300 gives us 256.7. You can round that to 257. Why not? Milliliters. There you go. That's how you do problem number 23. Charles law.